on my volcano is I use a medicine jar. I put clay on it so then it made the brown texture. And I use styrofoam as the island or land. And I use this paint for the ocean color and the land color. I made the volcano explode with using white vinegar and baking soda. And that's it.